Hi, I'm Haidah.
And I am Hisham.
We engaged Comfort Home Interior back in July, and our whole home renovation took about 2 months. Before we engaged Comfort Home Interior, we knew that we wanted to go towards hotel setting vibes, and we were inspired by Fullerton Hotel and Raffles Hotel. From there, we fell in love with the French and colonial style and wanted it in our own home. One of the special features of our home is our dark flooring and our white walls. It really does exude elegance and give our home a very classical feel. The waist-counting walls also adds to the charm, and we absolutely love it.
Yeah, we also hacked our service yard doors and installed French doors that really match with our theme.
Prior to engaging Comfort Home Interior, we actually met several IDs, but none really stood out as much as Comfort Home Interior in their pitch to us. So when we first engaged Comfort Home Interior, we immediately felt comfortable and confident with what Comfort Home actually offered to us. Not only was the response very prompt, but Comfort Home was also very helpful and also detailed in their answers despite us actually asking several questions. When we visited the office, we absolutely loved the fact that it was a very chill meeting and there was no pushy or hard selling tactics.
We were given ample space and time to decide. They even reassured us that we do not need to worry about the process. Our budget was met and they have quoted us very reasonably. During the renovation process, although there were hiccups along the way, our ID, Agnes, was a problem solver and managed to resolve the issue immediately. It has helped us a lot as we are both working adults.
We actually already recommended Comfort Home to many of our friends and relatives already, as we feel confident that they will actually have a very good experience as well.